everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the meeting and thank you for joining today. I am Mustika from PT Adijaya Jakarta. Before we begin, can I introduce my partner in the company to all of you and especially for those of you who are attending for the first time? Miss Nanda?
Okay, good morning, everyone. Let me introduce. My name is Nanda from Surabaya, and present Mr. Bambang as my supervisor. He able to attend because there is another business.
Oh, okay, Miss Nanda. Thank you for informing that because I haven't received the email from Mr. Bambang. So next, there's our great manager at PT Adijaya Jakarta and Medan. Welcome to today's meeting. Good morning. Nice to meet you, Miss.
Hello, nice to meet you, everyone.
Hi, nice to meet you all.
All right, is already complete?
Mr. Tony hasn't joined yet, Miss.
Oh, okay, thank you. We are still waiting for Mr. Tony. So, Miss Mukti, how about the ongoing renovation in Medan?
Yeah, it is still in process of finishing. In the next few weeks, we will be able to occupy the new building.
Oh, that's great, Miss Mukti. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you, Miss Mustika.
Okay. Mr. Tony has sent his apologies. He can't be with us today because he had to go to Surabaya. Okay, so let's start to our business without Mr. Tony. Before we begin, I'd like to say congratulations to Miss Ratna, who get a reward of the Employee of the Year because she has increased sales turnover in last third quarter in this year. Once again, thank you so much with Miss Ratna. So, Sir and Madam, we will discuss and evaluate our progress in this year. Let's get down to the business. I invite Ms. Ratna to annual sales review in this year.
Okay, so thank you so much, Ms. Mustika. So good morning, everyone, and thank you for coming the annual sales review. Make sure you all can pay attention, please. I will explain it slowly, and you can not everything that you think is important. And if you have any question, please ask. And could you add me as co-host because I need to share screen my presentation, Ms. Mustika?
Of course.
Yeah. Okay, this is my presentation. Annual sales review. I'm pleased to announce that it was another excellent year for PT Adijaya. Total sales increased by 10% compared with the previous years. That's good news. Let's start with the first quarter. As you can see from this chart, sales amounted to 2.5 thousand container, up 19% years on years. This was mainly due to a very successful January sales period. The second quarter was also extremely positive with sales of 3.2 thousand containers.
Pardon me, Miss Ratna. Do you mean that the new advertising campaign we launching in April was a success?
Definitely, it was one of the worst summer on record due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Many shipments were delayed because some countries in Europe was closed access to goods. However, things improved in the final quarter after we opened 3 new branch offices. As you can see, sales reached a peak of 4 million containers.
Could I make a point here?
All right, Ms. Mukti, would you like to add something here?
Yes, please. I would like to make a point here on the freighting performed quite poorly last month. It was slow to contact the subcontractor and late completing the tendering process, which means the company is also experiencing a decline in performance, Miss.
Yes, the web.
Hold on a moment. Please, Miss Nanda, we will come back right to you.
As I said, the distribution containers process finished later than planned. That means that the first stage of distribution didn't start well, and of course, we lost more time due to the quarantine.
I hear what you were saying, but look, it still let's not forget that we had a problem with our new delayed container. Well, anyway, all of these could have been avoided if we were made a better job of the initial planning. We just to this better future project. Now back on last August, it was so terrible, so many consideration segment.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I can make a point here.
Sure, go ahead.
Well, what are you saying is mostly true, but I think we should stop talking about what happened and start to what we need to do. So, Miss Ratna, are you done?
Yes, Ms. Mustika, I'm a delete with you and I have fully explained the annual sales review.
Okay, thank you so much to Miss Ratna with the review. It obvious that the last year the sales have increased significantly, although there
Yes, that's right, Ms. Mustika. Thank you so much.
Okay, that's it, Miss Ratna and Miss Mustika.
Okay, so next there are many things else that we have to discuss. First, I just want to inform you that we will open recruitment for accounting staff in this month in every branch office. So I will plan to the schedule of recruitment. And I suggest that we need to take another meeting to brainstorm some training for that new staff. We need to think about some new procedure in the pandemic and more efficient.
May I ask something, Miss? Is the recruitment for a graduate?
Yes, Miss Nanda, the recruitment is open for fresh graduate too. But we have to compare with the people with another person who had more experience.
I don't think it is necessary, Miss Mustika. In my opinion, there are too many employees in the accounting department.
Yeah, I know, Miss Mukti, but remember with a new normal project on next quarter, last year we have deactive some staff because of decrement employee on the pandemic. So we need to build up team next month to increase the progress. We have been missing and improve the company performance.
I don't think that's true, Ms. Mustika. For accounting staff, why don't we rehiring the last staff? I think we might need a bigger team for this project. I could be wrong, but don't we need to upgrade the IT system first? The improvement is the accounting department. This year we are good enough, but we cannot keep up with the limited IT system and I need to hire 1 until 3 staff if you don't mind to support. It is for head office.
Yes, that definitely true, Miss Bintang. I also think it will be more important that we add employees to the IT department first, and in terms of it's important because the IT department is very influenced with our logistic operational.
Okay, thank you, Miss Bintang and Miss Nanda. I will propose upgrading the IT system and recruiting new employee for the IT team to HR department. Is it possible for the IT team waiting until the end of February, Miss Bintang?
Yes, great. That's enough. At least in the next project, we have additional staff. Thank you so much, Ms. Mustika.
Okay, Miss Bintang, you are welcome. And Miss Mukti, would you like to add something?
Yes, Miss Mustika, thank you. Well, there is a note from the Finance Department of Medan. We should try to finish the annual report more quickly because my team needs to finish up the annual book before that new recruitment for marketing and the other department. Please send your advisory as soon as possible. And Miss Mustika, is it true which we reduce some admin on branch office?
Yes, Miss Mukti. I was informed that we will reduce some admin in the branch office next year. We will update or change some procedure to be more practical by reducing admin. That's why in last quarter, I was keeping track with some employee.
Oh, I see. I do think that you should come to the press office. It will simplify you to know their performance, right?
Yeah, thank you, Miss Mukti. That's a good idea. Now, can we back to our topic? Does anyone have any opinion on training new staff?
Mustika, to be honest, that really dog in my mind that equipment is a great idea, but is that mean we have to add the training new year?
Yes, that's right, Miss Nanda. We will divert some budget for it.
I'm afraid I can agree. Personality, it will consume that budget that other division need. We gonna reduce some employed, but on other thing, we split much to budget to training. Am I right?
Don't worry, Miss Nanda. We have a budget already for recruiting and training new employees.
Okay, Miss Nanda. I think we don't have to worry about it.
Miss Mustika, can we discuss about the new hiring in the next meeting? Because I need to go to another meeting with the client. I'm so sorry.
Yes, Miss Mukti, of course.
Thank you, Miss Mustika.
So, Miss Ratna, Miss Nanda, and Miss Mukti, do you have any suggestion for the timing of the meeting?
Let me see. On next weekend, I think I could be joined at Tuesday or Friday.
Sorry, Miss Bintang. I can join if it will be held on Tuesday. And on Friday, I have another meeting. But it looks like I can reschedule or represent with my assistant.
Okay, Miss Ratna and Miss Mukti. And Miss Nanda, could you attend the meeting on next Friday or Mr. Bambang can attend too?
Sorry, Miss Mustika, I can give contact. I need to discuss with Mr. Bambang first, but I think Mr. Bambang could be attends on Friday because the schedule is free.
Okay, Miss Nanda, noted. So it looks like we all agree next meeting will be held on next Friday. Any another suggestion?
I think we all agree, Miss Mustika. The vote is on next Friday.
Okay, thank you, Miss Mukti. So I think it's enough for today before I end this meeting. The meeting was going great and thank you so much everyone. Miss Ratna, Miss Mukti, and Miss Nanda, and everyone that I couldn't mention one by one. Thank you for joining this meeting. We will meet again on next Friday, right? To discuss the recruitment. And not for today, for marketing and other department. Please send your advisory to Miss Mukti's team as soon as possible to finish the annual report before new recruitment. And for next meeting, I will send the link by email on Wednesday. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next week. Have a great day.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so
Miss
much,
Mustika.
everyone.
See you, everyone.